creation is more competitive than ever. According to YouTube, over 20 million videos are uploaded every day, and YouTube Shorts now averages more than 200 billion daily views. In India alone, YouTube shared that over 100 million channels uploaded content in the last year. So this means that the real challenge is no longer just coming up with a video idea, but turning that idea into something clear, engaging, and ready to publish before it gets lost in a crowded content space. InVideo AI helps simplify this process by bringing multiple videos, making steps into one browser-based workspace. So instead of separately writing a script, searching for a footage or recording narration, adding subtitles, choosing music, arranging scenes, and exporting the final video, users can start with a prompt or a completed script. So the platform then creates a first draft with visuals, voiceovers, captions, music, transitions, and some scene structures. After that, creators can edit the video by replacing footage, changing the voice, adjusting captions, uploading their own media, applying brand colors, adding logos, and exporting the final version for YouTube, Instagram, ads, lessons, websites, or business communication. InVideo also states that its platform serves 25 million customers across 190 countries, showing how strongly creators and businesses are looking for faster video production tools. However, InVideo AI should not be treated as a tool that makes every creative decision perfectly. The first draft may still be needing review for accuracy, pacing, pronunciation, captions, and visual relevance. So the real value comes when the creators use clear prompts, review the output carefully, and refine it with their own judgment. So for YouTubers, teachers, students, marketers, freelancers, trainers, and small businesses, InVideo AI can be a practical way to move from an idea to a complete video draft faster while keeping control of the final message. So now that we understand what InVideo AI means and why it has become relevant in today's crowded video landscape, let's take a quick look at major areas that we will be covering. Understanding InVideo AI, what the platform does, its major capabilities, and who can benefit from it. Dashboard and first project, how to navigate the workspace and generate a simple first video. Then we will go for script and asset setup, how to provide a complete script and upload original images, videos, and logos. Scene generation and review, how the platform builds scenes and how to identify weak results. Media, voice, and branding, how to replace visuals, adjust narration, and apply consistent branding styling. Storytelling and engagement, how to organize scenes, add captions, and encourage viewer participation. Templates and exporting, how to reuse a successful format and prepare videos for different platforms. Publishing and growth, how to upload videos, repurpose content, avoid common mistakes, and improve future projects. Before we move on, here is something really exciting for you. Simplilearn's Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI offered by IIT Pravartak is in collaboration with Microsoft Azure and Simplilearn. This is designed for professionals, developers, analysts, creators, entrepreneurs, and career switchers who want to move beyond just AI tools and start building real-world AI applications. The program covers prompt engineering, large language models, image generation, RAG applications, agentic framework, multi-agent systems, fine-tuning, responsible AI, and practical app development. You will also get hands-on exposure to tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Azure AI Studio, OpenAI, DALL-E, Hugging Face, LangChain, Streamlit, Gradio, and Stable Diffusion. With live online classes, labs, and real-world projects, expert masterclasses, and a capstone project, this program can help you build practical skills and a strong portfolio. You can also earn a program completion certificate from IIT Pravartak and access Microsoft Learning certificates for completed Microsoft courses. So explore the Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI with Simplilearn. The course link is in the description box. So now that we have seen how InVideo AI helps us turn ideas into scripts into complete videos, let us test your understanding with a simple quiz question. So which feature is most useful when you already have a finished script? Is it A, use my script, or is it B, trends, C, AI twins, or is it D, export settings? Let us know your answers in the comment section below. Welcome to InVideo AI. So since it works online, you don't need to install any software. Just open the official website, sign in using Google, Apple, or email, and then you will land on the main workspace. So at the center, you will see a prompt box. So this is where most of the projects begin. You can describe your video idea, paste a script, or give detailed instructions. So instead of writing a simple prompt like, create a short video about presentation skills, use a more detailed prompt like this. Create a 30-second vertical video for college students explaining one simple presentation tip. Use realistic classroom visuals, clear subtitles, and Indian English voice, and a soft background music. So the clearer your prompt, the better the first video draft will be. So ideally on the left-hand side, you will find options like workflows, trends, AI twins, and you. So workflows help you get started with common video types. Trends help you show popular formats. AI twins is used for custom voice or presenter features. And the you section stores your drafts, exports, and previous projects. So the basic workflow is simple. First, you type a prompt, then generate the file, review it, edit it, export, and publish. So now let's go ahead and create a sample project. So in order to create a new project, you move on to the right, and then there's a box called agent. So you'll have to click on agent, and then you have to type. Here it's just asking you for a name and color, so I'll just type blue and blue. So now let's send in a message to the agent. So here I've created a 20-second vertical YouTube short for college students sharing one easy trick to calm nerves before a presentation. So use realistic classroom footage, clear captions, a friendly Indian English voice, and a light background. End by asking the viewers to try the tip today. Also select portrait 9:16, choose English, pick a clean subtitle style, and then select a friendly voice. Now let's go ahead and generate. So InVideo AI will now create the script, divide it into scenes, add visuals, voiceovers, captions, and background music. So over here, I have run out of credits to generate a video, but I have my script generated over here. So in your case, once the video is ready, play it once without editing. Check if the hook is strong, visuals are matching the topic, the voice is clear, captions are readable, and the music is not louder than the narration. So this first version may not be perfect, but it gives you a strong starting point. So now let's go ahead and create the main project. Our topic is 3 skills that make students more job ready in 2026. So here you're supposed to be going to workflow and choose use my script under topics. So this option is useful when you already have approved wording. So paste this particular script. Still collecting certificates but not feeling ready for a job? Start building these 3 practical skills. First, communication. Learn to explain your ideas clearly in emails, meetings, and presentations. Second, data understanding. You don't need to become a data scientist, but you should know how to read a chart, work with a spreadsheet, and make decisions using information. Third, problem solving. Don't just point out to what is wrong, practice suggesting a realistic step. Choose one of these 3 skills and work on it for the next 30 days. Which skill will you be choosing first? So now add these production instructions. Create a vertical YouTube short using exactly the script provided. Keep the duration between 50 to 60 seconds. Use realistic visuals of students, presentations, emails, meetings, spreadsheets, teamwork, and problem solving. Then use clean subtitles, a friendly Indian language, a friendly Indian English voice, a light background music, avoid cartoons, avatars, unrelated programming footage, repeated clips, and invented statistics. So next, let's upload your assets. Before that, let's proceed with this. Over here, we can go ahead and add our assets. So let me go ahead and add a logo, add the presentation video that we had generated, as well as a spreadsheet chart, which is of PNG and JPG format respectively. Along with that, you have to add your asset placement prompt. So use this particular prompt. Use the MP4 file during communication section. Use spreadsheet chart.jpg during the data understanding section. Place logo.png in the closing scene, top right corner without covering subtitles or faces. Then hit on generate. So InVideo AI will split the script into scenes. The opening question becomes the hook, communication becomes the first skill, data understanding becomes the second skill, problem solving becomes the third skill. The 30-day challenge becomes a closing section here. And the final question becomes the call to action. The tool then selects visuals based on the meaning of each line. It may use presentation clips for communication, charts for data understanding, and teamwork footage for problem solving. So when the video opens, watch the full draft first. Do not edit immediately. Check the hook, visuals, voice, subtitles, music, pacing, and the ending. And if something feels weak, open the editor. So reviewing and editing the draft, start with the hook scene. So the line is still collecting certificates but not feeling ready for a job. So this visual should show a student feeling uncertain, looking at certificates, job applications, or career-related material. Next, check the communication section. Make sure that the uploaded presentation video appears at the right time. Then check the data section. This should show a spreadsheet, a chart, or a dashboard and not random coding footage. For the problem-solving section here, use visuals of planning, teamwork, brainstorming, or discussion. Now review the voiceover. Check pronunciation, tones, and speed. The voice should be really clear, natural, and encouraging. So if the music is too loud, use the magic box prompt. Reduce the background music volume to 18%. If the subtitles are too low, use this. Move the subtitles 15% higher. So if the subtitles are hard to read, then use this. Use bold white subtitles with a dark semi-transparent background. And finally, make sure the last question stays on the screen long enough. Which skill would you choose first? For the opening scene, you can go ahead and search worried college students reviewing certificates and job applications. For the communication scene, use the video which we had downloaded. So trim the clip so it starts when the student is already presenting. For the data section, search college student analyzing spreadsheets and business charts. You can also use your uploaded spreadsheet image and add a gentle zoom effect. For problem solving, search students solving a business problem together in a classroom. Now open the music section, choose something light, upbeat, educational, and keep the volume around 15 to 20% so the voice remains clear. You can open the script or voice section and choose a friendly Indian English voice. So the tone should sound confident, clear, and conversational, and you can also use this magic box prompt. So this is the magic box prompt that you should be using. Change the narrator to a friendly young Indian English voice with a clear pronunciation. Now go ahead and add branding. So use a clean educational style with navy blue, white, and orange. Place the logo in the top right corner with a safe spacing. You can use the branding prompt as follows. Apply navy blue, white, and orange branding throughout the video. Use clean subtitles, bold modern headings, and place the uploaded logo in the top right corner. Highlight keywords like communication, data understanding, problem solving, and keep the design clean and easy to read on mobile. You can add simple transitions, so avoid anything too flashy. For that, you can use this magic box prompt. Add clean, quick transitions between scenes. For still images, add a slow zoom. For subtitles, use a clean fade or a pop-in effect. Now check the story order. First, it's hook, promise, skill 1, skill 2, skill 3, action, and question. Then add these headings. There's skill 1, communication, skill 2, data understanding, skill 3, problem solving, and at the end, you can add comment 1, 2, or 3 below. So this encourages viewers to respond. So once everything is ready, export the video in portrait 9:16 format. Choose 1080p if available and download it as an MP4 file. Before publishing, watch the downloaded video once. Check the crop, audio, subtitles, logo, transitions, and final question. Then open YouTube Studio, upload the video, and add this title. Skills every student needs to get job ready in 2026. And use this description. Still collecting certificates but not feeling prepared for a job? Start strengthening communication, data understanding, and problem solving. So choose one skill and practice it for the next 30 days. Which skill will you choose first? Select the right playlist, category, audience settings, and visibility. You can do the same for videos on Instagram Reels, LinkedIn, and Facebook with this platform. And this was the complete process of creating, branding, editing, exporting, and publishing a video using InVideo AI. And with that, we have reached the end of this InVideo AI tutorial. You may know how to move from a simple idea or a script to a complete video, improve the visuals and voice and branding, export the final file, and prepare it for publishing. So keep practicing with different video styles, test your results, and improve one project at a time. Subscribe to Simplilearn for more such insights and check out our related videos.